Home remedies for cough and sore throat. Coughing could be perfectly normal. Everyone does it to help clear the throat of irritants, including phlegm. However, coughing could also be a symptom of a variety of illnesses, especially when accompanied by a sore throat. Luckily, there are proven effective home remedies for cough and sore throat, so you can care for yourself without breaking the bank or relying on medication. Here are 2 proven cough and sore throat home remedies to help you fight your condition right from your own home. Honey, peppermint, and lemon tea. What you'll need: 1 peppermint tea bag, 1 cup hot water, 2 teaspoons raw organic honey, lemon wedge. What to do: steep the peppermint tea bag in the hot water for 2 minutes. Add the honey and squeeze the juice of a lemon wedge into the cup. Sip slowly to soothe the throat and recover from coughing. Why it works: peppermint, one of the most commonly used natural remedies for the common cold and cough. According to a review published by Phytotherapy Research in 2006, peppermint has antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-allergenic properties. This makes it a good home remedy for cough and sore throat. Also, slowly sipping the tea is soothing on its own because of its menthol content. Hot water. Hot water helps break down sticky phlegm. Furthermore, increasing fluid consumption will help flush out toxins from the body. Honey is among the most valued remedies for cough and sore throat. According to a study by the Archives of Pediatric and Adolescent Medicine in 2007, honey is better than dextromethorphan, a common ingredient in over-the-counter cough medicine, at easing night coughing and difficulty sleeping due to an infection of the upper respiratory tract. Lemon. Apart from enhancing the flavor, the lemon juice provides an additional kick of vitamin C to help boost the immune system. Chicken and thyme broth. What you'll need: 2 cups chicken broth, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, pinch of salt. What to do: in a saucepan or small pot, combine chicken broth, dried thyme, and salt. Bring to a boil. Transfer to a mug and let cool before sipping slowly. Note, it's always best to make your own chicken broth, but if that's too difficult, always opt for the unsalted kind so you can control how much salt is in it. If you opt to use a salted broth, skip the additional pinch of salt in the recipe. Why it works: chicken broth. According to a comparative study published by Chest in 2000, chicken soup works by inhibiting the migration of infection-fighting white blood cells in the body. Thyme. In 2006, the German journal Arzneimittelforschung published a study that showed the efficacy of thyme, especially if taken with ivy leaves, in treating acute bronchitis. Salt. Possibly the most common antiseptic. In Iranian medicine and other alternative therapies, salt is also used as a phlegm laxative, making it an ideal ingredient for cough and sore throat relief. These 2 home remedies for cough and sore throat each have ingredients that are backed by research to be effective. Both cough and sore throat are common and could often be treated at home. However, if your symptoms don't ease, make sure you consult a medical professional to make sure you don't have any serious underlying illness. Following are the study references. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.